My name is David Hill and I'm a Director of Business Development at Open Energi.
My name is Michael Bironneau and I'm a data scientist at Open Energi.
Open Energi is the largest operator of a distributed energy storage system in the UK, which is helping pave the way to a cleaner, more reliable and affordable energy system. What that means in practice is we work with large industrial and commercial organisations and make small changes to certain electrical devices, which in aggregation has the ability to shift large amounts of power and prevent big peaking power stations coming on, which are both costly and polluting and inefficient.
We decided to go for a data platform when approaching the Hadoop ecosystem, because the Hadoop ecosystem, it may be free, it may be open source, and you may be able to download and install stuff on your own without a data platform. But it's very complicated to configure all these things and to get them running together as one. Since we first embarked on our journey with Hortonworks, it's had a big impact for our analytics team, but it's also having a bigger impact for our commercial team as they realize that they can pull in different data sources, market data, national electricity statistics, and they can use that to analyze the market in a way that they couldn't really do before through their existing tools like Excel.
Looking at the traditional data infrastructure we worked at, we could only work with large industrial customers because the amount of power that we could work with justified the investment we needed to access that power. As we begin to adopt Hortonworks' data platform, it enables us to dramatically reduce the costs of our deploying our service, which means we don't have to just work with industrial commercial customers, we can work with domestic customers and we can really start transferring some of these really big transformational energy benefits not just to companies but to individuals and consumers.
Our plan for the next coming year with Hortonworks data platform is to do a lot more real-time analytics by streaming our asset data and doing machine learning on that so that we learn the behavior of new assets that we couldn't previously target. And I think that tools like Apache NiFi are going to play a huge role in this as they allow us to control point-to-point the data that we send from assets, both from a security point of view and simplifying the ingestion of that data. Partnering with Hortonworks has given us access to very technical, competent staff, and they should be because some of them actually helped create the tools that we're using.
What gets me most excited about working with Hortonworks is as companies like Open Energi have evolved over the last 5 years, which are inherently Internet of Things companies, many of the products and services that we needed when we first set out on our journey didn't exist, and we had to build essentially bespoke products for ourselves to deliver our virtual power plant or distributed energy resource system. By working with companies like Hortonworks, we begin to dramatically cut costs out of parts of the technology stack that we have created to deliver our product, which enables us to really kind of motor on and sort of really begin to transform the energy system in the way we believe we can, and it's incredibly exciting.